It is your boy No Sabo Kid. Today I'm here to teach you how to make a teamSESH type beat. It's a very simple process. As always, I would recommend using Electra X, Omnisphere, or Nexus. I would say those, bro, beautiful plugins for dark ass teamSESH G59 type of sounds. You hear that, Paris? See, exactly, boom. So what I like to do when I do like dark melodies like this, yes, like this simplistic shit right on the screen, keep things a little spaced apart, and then always use this shit. This shit is so important. This semitone shit. I always talk about semitones. If you're not doing semitones and you're trying to make dark beats, it's not gonna sound dark. So just do this semitone shit. Instant dark sound. So let's just see how this sounds. What I'd recommend to get, just to get really creative with it, if you have a keyboard, I would say it does help with your melodies, but in the sense of you find shit faster, especially if you don't know how to play piano. Like me, I probably know like 5% of piano, dead ass. I know the simplistic shit. So I made this top line. Yeah, as you can tell, we just go boom, boom, boom. And what I would say, it's super important, use kind of the same keys if you're going spaced out. See, if you look at this, it's A sharp. A sharp's right here. Look at this, D sharp, D sharp. They're literally all the same key, they're just in different octaves. And that is gonna get you a very fantastic, harmonizing, sexy sound. And what I would say was that oh shit, bro, I'm a stutter fucker. What really helped me improve my dark beats, especially like G59, Bones, teamSESH, type beats, is adding deep sounds like this, some bass. I used Omnisphere for this specific one. If you are making a teamSESH type beat, or just like any beat where there's like featured artists or multiple artists, Topline really helps with the arrangement. Dead ass, no cap. And I found some crazy ass fucking one. I think it's some Japanese fucking guitar dude. Dead ass, bro. And your Topline doesn't need to be like you don't need all that shit, bro. Just repeat that shit for that Topline. You want it to sound very catchy and repetitive, but not too repetitive. So as you can see, I added this shit at the end. You get the gist. Clash Royale. For this beat, we're also using my Ashes and Echoes drum kit. Perfect for dark beats, especially G59 teamSESH type shit. Check it down below. Anyways, let's hop right in. You guys don't know. We're gonna start off with my 67808. I think this is just me. I think a lot of like Southside type shit, like that future type shit, they don't like using kicks. But bro, I don't know, for my Suicide Boy style teamSESH type shit, I love layering kicks over. It just makes that shit punch. So what I do, I lay down my 808 pattern, I mix it a little bit, and then I just click over all these kicks to see which one sounds the best. And then I found that this real one sounded the best. That's exactly how I do it. But of course you want the melody over that, because that's exactly how you're gonna hear it. And then with all that shit together, sounds fucking amazing, dude. We already know we got that snare. It's very simple snare, and then we just do a little craziness at the end. What I like doing with my shit personally, I throw that snare on from my drum kit, yes. But my secret sauce that I do, I have these presets. I just drag it on the master track, and then I just adjust whatever's in it. What's in it is just Destructor, and then oh shit, there's the sauce, and then fruity reverb. That's it. And then that's how I get that sound. You do have to tweak it for the specific snare sound though, but it just adds that fucking 2014 to 2020 fucking just, bro, your childhood vibes. Hi-hats, very simple. Of course, you got to change the velocity. Boom, 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 boom. You always go up on the rolls. I don't go down on the rolls. That's just how it is. And then, yeah, just super simple hi-hat pattern. I'm going to show you my open hat sauce. Now check this shit out, right? What I like doing for this shit, I found it in secondhand from Suicide Boys. He just throws in a reverse open hat or crash right before the fourth bar. But what I like about it is when it hits the snare, so, and all together with no melody. Just adds that fucking shit to it. That's basically it. This was a quick fast one, done busted real quick, all over the beat, the keyboard, everything. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and just tell me if you like shit like this. This is a really quick video, but I think I want to know your guys' opinion. Do you guys like when I do like a review like this, or when it's like made live and shit? Because I have a couple of videos where I make the beat live, not really live, but like I show you exactly what the fuck I do. I click everything in and shit. I like videos like that personally. Like if I watch some producer do that shit, I do that. But everyone learns differently. So please comment down below if you want like more live cookups or more like overviews of shit. Please like, comment, subscribe, join the Discord, and then if you do like the fucking song, check out my drum kit. It will get your fucking shit sounding beautiful.